everyone, this is Harshita. Today I'm at Nature's Lab by 5 Elements, and also I have a sales head of Nature's Lab, that is Farhan. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing good too. Nature's Lab, the name itself only sounds so good. So let's talk more about this project. I want to know more about this project, sir.
Sure. So, talking to you about Nature's Lab. Nature's Lab is a beautiful 5-acre community of apartments. We've got 2 wings and 8 towers in it. They have 365 units in total. Nature's Lab is in one of the most prominent locations of Yeshwanthpura. It's a 5-minute of a walk from Chikkabidrikkallu metro station. It's just 750 meters away. And talking to you about what is inside the community, it is a very well-planned, thoughtful community where there are no common walls. Every fitting that has been used is premium. It's a true value for money property that anybody today is looking to have a primary home, a home for their family. It's one of the best fits in the area.
Very nice. Sir, as you mentioned, it is nearby to the Yeshwanthpur and Pina belt. What is the biggest advantage of this location compared to other nearby projects?
So when you ask me biggest, there are many to list, but to talk about a few, it's a place that is accessible to a lot of major prominent schools and colleges. Hospitals are just a stone's throw away from you. The Chikkabidrikkallu metro station that I spoke to you about, just 7 minutes away, makes major parts of Bangalore accessible to you. Wherever there is metro, that place is just an hour away from you. And with the current metro expansion till Tumkur, it makes it so much sweet for people, getting to know that the developments will come here, because metro expansion is not just metro expansion. It's a hint that the Karnataka government is pivoting towards this side. So there's a great promise of more residential infrastructure coming, more commercial infrastructure coming. The PRR, it's a 174 kilometer peripheral ring road that is going to be, started just now. It's going to be launched in the next month. And even though we are so close to all these prominent and easy accessible places, our property is in a place where you don't see a lot of commercial vehicle movement. You actually don't have any vehicular movement there. And still being secluded, being very close to nature. Here the temperature also is about a degree cooler than other, because there are so many trees around. And you can hear peacocks in the morning. So location-wise, we are very close to all the developments, but we are still secluded. So making it safer for you and your family to come and live here.
And that's so nice, sir. That is the reason it's a Nature's Lab.
It's Nature's Lab. Yeah, that's right.
That's so nice. So tell us more about the amenities.
So 5 acre of a total property, G+4 structures we have all across. It's one of the few properties that is G+4 and has a clubhouse that is G+2. So we've got a swimming pool, we've got tennis courts, multiple of them, yoga decks, a skating ring, like you don't usually find that in properties. We've got that. We've got a whole lot of amenities, lifestyle amenities that are required by a community like this to sustain and survive. And recreate, be with families, recreate with the families. So we've thought about it very well and made 30 plus lifestyle amenities are a part of this community.
That's nice. Sir, from the legal standpoint, what are the documents that are already covered? And if I'm looking for a loan, what are the possibilities, sir?
So when you talk about legal, this is a RERA approved project. All limitations and regulations that are to be followed are followed here. All clearances that are need to be secured are going to be secured here. And as on today, we are funded by SBI. SBI is one of the most prominent nationalized banks. So any bank will give you a provision for loan. That's an additional security for a buyer that this is funded by SBI. So basically, for a buyer, it means that it is 100% legally clear, because SBI will only give you a loan when you have everything right. So we've got it right. All of our properties until now have been clear, and this one is pitch clear for anybody. We are in a place where we can provide any documents. Everybody that is buying a flat today goes through their own independent due diligence. So many of our flat owners at Nature's Lab have done their legal due diligence, applied for loans, got their loan sanctioned also. So you can be rest assured, if somebody is looking for a loan to buy an apartment with us, it is going to be there with a loan for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So how many units are already sold? What are the configuration that is going on right now, sir?
So we've sold close to 120 units as of now.
Great.
And when we designed our configurations, we designed after taking a thorough study of the market, what's available for people to buy. That's why if you notice, our units are bigger than usual. What you find in the vicinity, the apartments, be it our 2 BHK, 3 BHK or 4 BHK, our dimensions are bigger than usual. And talking about what's available right now, all my 4 BHKs are sold. Majority of my inventory is 3 BHKs. I have over 290 flats, of which about close to 200 are available. Majority of my 2 BHKs are also sold. So I request anybody that is really looking out to buy a sweet, secure home for themselves, come visit us, check us out.
Yes. So talking about the timeline, what is the timeline to deliver this Nature's Lab and how confident are you about meeting them?
So talking about the timelines for Nature's Lab, this is a property that is due for delivery within a year's of time. When I say due for delivery, we'll be ready for interiors as early as December 2026. We are one of the few developers who waits for the construction to reach to a certain point. So when you visit us today, you will see that most of my towers are 50 to 60% done. So we strategically timed ourselves to overlap with the school admissions time. So when I hand it over for interiors in December, my amenities will be simultaneously be worked upon. So come April, May 2027, you'll be living happily with Nature's Lab with no constructions happening anymore.
Great.
So we are way ahead of our timelines. Our RERA timeline is of June 2029. However, we are very confident that we'll be able to deliver or hand over this property to you as early as next year. Honestly, a lot will change for somebody that decides to wait for 6 to 12 months. How and why? There is, like I said, there is a lot of residential and commercial infrastructure that is set to come in this area that's already underway. And a property like mine where there are just 365 units and there are only so many preferred units like on a higher floor or a specific, direction or vastu. There are only so many units and my price right now 8,500. That is just because I've launched it right now. 8,500 rupee per square feet in an area where current going is between 10 to 12,000 rupee per square feet. It is just because we come from a very humble background. Having delivered 40 projects till the 41st, we've stayed on the ground. We've not climbed up. That's why our towers, major of them are G+ score. Our units sell very quickly. We are very confident that in this quarter or by the end of this quarter, there wouldn't be anything to see. Because like I said, my 4 BHKs are already all sold out. There are just 3 BHKs and 2 BHKs left to buy. And pricing wise, you'll be spending no less than 3,500 rupee per square feet more than what you're going to spend today with me.
If you had to give a one line of reassurance to a first time home buyer, what would it be?
So, great value for money. Nature's Lab, everything that we designed, we conceptualized, was keeping a nuclear family in mind where there are 3 generations of people living. Our founder, Mr. Kashinath, is someone that is very emotional about his community, so he is always available. He's one of the few developers that you can go and meet in the office every day. He's the one who conceptualized this, designed this, so he really put his heart and soul where everything is done with great value. The kind of parts we've used, the fittings, our doors are 8 feet high, our ceiling heights are very huge. We have limited ourselves in terms of the number of flats we have because we could have easily gone over by 110 flats with the current property, but we restricted ourselves and offered people no common walls. So none of the apartments here share a wall with each other. The amenities are spread right across, the kind of security we provided. This is one of the only few properties in the area where Kaveri supply is available. So this property is value. It's got value stamped everywhere. And for one to experience, we invite them. They're already hosting visits. So please come down, check us out, check and see the kind of value we're giving for the money you pay. And that's it.
That's nice. Thank you so much for all the information shared.
Yeah.
It was so much to know about Nature's Lab and
Yeah.
too good to know. Thank you so much.
It was nice chatting with you. Thank
Same
you.
here.